So today,
Okay,
so today we are in a patio home that is in the Grove at Greens Prairie Reserve.
Right.
And it's beautiful. So we're going to take you on a little tour through that. And we just happened to stumble upon something that is really neat about this little area. So we'll share that with you at the end of the video.
Let's go.
If this is your first time to our channel, be sure and subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications. My name is Tara, and along with Jeff and David, we make up the Schellenberger team here in College Station, Texas. So if you are looking to buy your forever home, invest in property, or buy your second home, we're the team for you. So please reach out to us. Our information is in the description box below, and we would love to start the conversation with you about helping you move to this area. And remember, we've helped people just like you find the right place at the right time, right here.
All right, outside another model home here in Greens Prairie Reserve, and this is the Grove. This is more of a lock and leave type of concept. It's cul-de-sac or circular road here with a few lots in it. And it's a cool concept for if you want lock and leave, if you are retired and travel a lot and don't want to deal with having your own single family home, this is a great one. This is Martin Custom Homes. So let's get with Tara and talk about it.
Okay, so we will come inside and take a look at this model home. It is the Martin & Company construction lock and leave patio home here in the Grove. They have built all of the patio homes in the Grove, and the Grove is only 4 patio homes. There are 11 lots left. So if you fall in love with this, and it's 4 years from now and there are no lots left, you can still reach out to Martin & Company and talk with them about building this for you somewhere else. But the Grove has 11 lots left, but we were excited to come and get the information about this patio home, and we'll go inside and take a look. Come on in. So you'll notice as you come in, the first thing you see is the lovely fireplace at the end of the living room. It's a great focal point for entering the house.
Yeah, I love how it just draws you in straight to the back of the home with the fireplace, with the detail around the fireplace and the windows on each side. So you get the natural daylight, but you also get the beautiful fireplace.
Right, and this home, this patio home, is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. It's over 2,300 square feet, and they have added a lot of neat features and upgrades that we're going to point out as we walk through the home. One thing is, as the lock and leave concept, the grounds are taken care of for you. So your front and backyard is maintained for you. They also take care of the sprinkler system, and then they do the landscaping in the front. And they keep it pretty uniform looking so that they don't have to worry about someone coming in and compromising the quality and the look and the integrity of the neighborhood. So residents have requested that and have really enjoyed not having to worry about that. So one of the points to make about this builder is that they do have plans you can choose from, but those plans are also fully customizable. From small details to moving interior walls, they will do whatever their clients ask of them. And they are also custom in the sense that they do have selections that you can choose from or just get ideas, but that they will go with you to the vendors and help you make your selections. And they also keep it focused on what your budget is. And so they keep you within the parameter of options that fit your budget. And so along that line, I wanted to point out some items in this patio home. So in the living area, you'll notice that they have the art lighting through the living area on the walls. Also the dining area, they're highlighting anywhere you would put artwork on the wall, they've got some art lights up. The ceilings are 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire house. Actually looks even a little bit taller in the entryway. And then, so a friend of mine actually bought one of these, and something she did was she narrowed the fireplace and made the windows larger, looking out into the back. And then you do have berms along the backs of these, and so you're not just looking out onto a street. It's green space, and it's a natural scape.
Yeah, and what's kind of neat about this one is you've got this dining area over here, but it's a large area. So if you don't want the large dining table and a dining space, this could be added seating area. It's a good sized space.
It is. Very large space, actually. And then coming into the kitchen, they have several added features that we thought were special. So your beautiful quartz here. Again, this is a large eating bar area. They have the apron sink. And then all of the appliances are upgraded to the GE monogram. And so you have the 36-inch 6-burner cooktop. And then you have your oven and microwave here, but you could opt to have a double oven and put the microwave either in the island somewhere or in the pantry. And we'll show you the Butler's pantry in just a moment. All of the cabinetry is made on site, and of course it's all soft close. And they have the pot filler, which comes in very handy.
Yeah, and these are 36-inch uppers, but you could go to the 42 if you wanted more storage. That's right, you could 42. Yeah.
Yes. And then coming right over here is the Butler's pantry, which is such a great feature. And I love how they have the lighted cabinets, the lighted upper cabinets. Nice touch. Yeah. With the wine cooler and another sink over here in the Butler pantry. You can take a look at that. And then I'll step out of the way so you can take a look at the actual pantry. It's a large pantry.
Yep, I really like the built-ins here. They're deep and they've got plugs in these.
Yes, the outlets.
The pantry. So for your blenders, even the battery-operated vacuum cleaners, all that type of stuff, you've got plugs.
Right. If you are enjoying this video, then please hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe. Okay, so entering the master suite, you do have another little closet right over here for storage. And the house also has surround sound, and they've got the Lutron lighting system. So here's your master bedroom with a lovely, huge set of windows.
Yeah, and as you can see, the flooring flows all the way through. In this one, they chose no carpet with this model. So you've got the
luxury vinyl plank. Yes, that's a luxury vinyl plank that flows through the entire house except for the bathrooms. And so another option, she said someone came in and they wanted their bedroom to be a bit larger, so they pushed this wall in. So again, a customizable feature that you could opt to do that. And then the master bathroom is quite lovely. You have the 2 sinks, lots of countertop and space, lots of cabinetry for storage space. And then you could elect to not have a tub and add some additional cabinetry or make your shower even larger. This is a lovely large shower, and the basket weave tile is pretty. And they actually have a towel warmer. So this bar warms your towel for you. Yeah,
that's always fun. On a cold morning, have a nice warm towel when you get out of the shower.
And then the toilet that's a very nice space, not cramped at all. And then it moves on into the closet, where you have the drawers on one side and the open shelving on the other. But again, you sit down with their designer and you can design your closet exactly how you'd like it to be. So you have lots of options. The sky's the limit. They use the metal bars instead of the wood dowels. And then this connects to the laundry room. And you have an actual broom closet, yay, with an outlet. So again, somewhere a specific space to store your cleaning tools, your brooms and mops and vacuum cleaners.
Yeah, and look at the size of this laundry space.
It's a great size.
It's a great size.
It's a great use of
storage
space.
on both sides. You've got space for the full-size washer and dryer side by side. It doesn't have to be stackable. Plus, you've got the sink for cleaning the delicates, and you've got storage above it. So,
yeah,
really nice.
Great
setup.
size.
Yep.
And this is an example of some of the selections that they have in here to help people get an idea of what they'd like to choose for their home. Okay, so in this little hallway that is off the entrance, it has your little half bath, which again, it's so great that this is kind of tucked away. It's not right off of a main living area. And then coming a little bit further down is your drop zone coming out of the garage. And so the garage has an epoxy floor and it is fully insulated. So your garage door is insulated as well as all of the walls in the garage. And they do use a spray foam insulation in the attic, which is very energy efficient.
Yeah, very nice.
And this is what connects to the laundry room again. So it makes a little loop from the master bathroom through here back to the front. Okay, so walking back from the family area, heading back towards the front door, we're going to turn this way and where we have the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom. So we have 2 bedrooms. This front bedroom has these lovely huge windows. That caught my attention right when I walked in here. Each of these bedrooms are about 11 by 12 or so, and they are using Pella windows. So that's a fabulous upgrade. Very high quality windows in these patio homes. So here's this first bedroom, and the closet is on this wall. And then here's the bathroom with the shower. So there's not a tub in this bathroom, but it has this nice size shower that is ADA friendly. This is wide enough for a wheelchair if that was something that was needed. And you have a nice large shower with the natural sunlight.
Yeah, and again, with the being custom, if you wanted a tub, you could.
You could, that's right, you could have a tub put in there instead.
Yeah.
And then the second bedroom is the same size as the first, but it has a large window as well. So lovely to see that with all the natural sunlight as opposed to just one standard small window.
Yeah, and you can see the space. Being 11 by 12, this is a queen size bed, and you still have space over here for more furniture, for seating. It's a good size double door closet. So it's a good size.
Yeah, it's a nice size.
Yeah.
That's right, gives you some perspective with having the queen size bed.
And one thing they talked about, one of the clients, when you walk back out here, this doorway that takes you into the bedrooms and bathroom, they opted to put a pocket door. So you could close that off and make it just one little suite for the guests so they're not bothered.
Right. Okay, lastly, we're going to pop outside and look at the back patio after I unlock the door. Okay, so you have a built-in kitchen.
Yeah, very nice option here. I've got the Coyote appliances with the grill, I've got the sink.
Yes.
And
some storage drawers. This is a tile floor that they have put a slip-resistant epoxy over to protect it and help keep you from slipping. The TV on the wall over here.
Yeah, and actually this model, they went with some upgraded features, and they said these TVs are actually staying in the model due to the Lutron lighting, the surround sound system, the upgraded television package. They're leaving it here with this model.
Oh, fantastic.
Nice. Yeah, yeah, and you still have some nice yard space.
Yes, I feel like this is a lot of yard for a patio home.
Yeah, for this being a patio home, kind of a lock and leave concept with the HOA helping with the maintenance of the front yard and then mowing it in the back.
And the irrigation as well.
And irrigation. You do have some nice yard space. So if you've got dogs or kids coming over to visit, it's a nice.
And this fence is actually concrete. It is not wood.
Yeah, this is the entrance to the grove. So this portion right here is concrete fence. Yep.
Oh, okay. So even if you are just in the investigative stage and just trying to gather information, please reach out to us for a Zoom call. We would love to just have a conversation with you. And for us, we like to get to know our clients and potential clients. And so we'd rather have some time talking with someone and getting to know them a little bit before anyone makes any commitments.
Yeah, let's build that rapport and really get to know each other and get the process going.
So please reach out for a Zoom call. Okay, Jeff, so just to wrap up some details about this patio home. It is 2,340 square feet. They are asking $762,500 for this home, and it is on 0.17 of an acre. It's a new build, built in 2024. It's the model home that we're going through right now.
Yeah.
And it puts it at $325 per square foot.
Per square foot, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So obviously on the higher end, but you are getting a beautiful custom patio home.
And a great community.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's the neat little thing. So we came in here one day to start doing this, and there were all these people in here. And I was like, oh my goodness. And so we start visiting. And so this little patio home section called the Grove, it's gated, and it is one street that kind of loops around. So I think it's just 20 or so patio homes. There aren't a lot.
Yeah.
Well, these people get together and they have a little book club. A lot of them, it's their second homes. They come in town for Aggie games, and they have a lot of connections through Texas A&M. And so it's this sweet little community. It's not 55 and older, but that's who's bought here.
Yeah.
And so that's who's here, and they all have this Texas A&M in common. And so it's just this built-in little sweet community of people who have these patio homes and either live here full-time or come in town and stay here when they're in the area. And they were drinking wine and having a little neighborhood meeting, and they have a book club, and I just thought that was precious.
Yeah.
Very life-giving for your community.
Yeah, and being right here in the Grove, they can take advantage of all the things that the larger neighborhood of Greens Prairie Reserve offers.
Absolutely.
So the walking trails and everything else. So it's a great option, like you said, maybe a second home, or if you're wanting to downsize and find a nice little circle of a little area, it's a good one to think about.
Yes, and not have to worry about the yard.
Yeah.
The lots are large for patio homes and 0.17, but then you don't worry about any of it.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Yep, sure is. All right. And we've helped people just like you find the right place at the right time.
Right here.